In the name of God Almighty, Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. O God Almighty, Allah, I begin the glorification of you with praising you, and you always guide us to the right out of your favoring upon us, and I am certain that you are the most merciful of all those who show mercy in situations of pardon and mercy, but you are the very exacting in situations of giving exemplary punishment to the wrongdoers, and you are the greatest, omnipotent in the domain of absolute power and might. O Allah, God Almighty, you have permitted me to pray and beseech you, so listen, O all the hearer, to my words of praise, and please reply my prayers, O the all merciful, and please overlook my slips, O the oft forgiving. You, O my God, have relieved so many of my griefs, and you have dispelled so many of my sorrows, and you have overlooked so many of my slips, and you have spread over me many of your mercies, and you have unlocked so many of rings of misfortunes in which I was detained. All praise be to Allah, God Almighty, who hasn't betaken wife or son, and who has no partner in the sovereignty, nor has protecting friend through dependence, and magnify him with all magnificence. God is the greatest. All praise be to Allah, God Almighty, with gratitude for all His bounties. All praise be to Allah, God Almighty, who has no opposition in His rule, nor there is any challenge to His commands. All praise be to Allah, God Almighty, who has no counsel to meddle with His operation of creation, nor there is anything similar to Him in His greatness. All praise be to Allah, God Almighty, whose commandments are active in the creations, and the praising of whom is incumbent. His glory is evident through His kindness, His distinct, overflowing generosity is freely available. His unlimited bestowals don't exhaust, and He doesn't swell the numerous benefits except because of generosity and kindness. Ameen. Please help the poor and the needy. Send your donations on this account. Please subscribe my channel, share my video,